Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review a very unique product. The product is very mobile friendly. So this product name is a Magic. So in nutshell, this Magic is a world first mobile traffic app. So with this push button app, it will allow you to get free buyer traffic from various sites, and that is also in autopilot mode. So now you can run your affiliate marketing campaign via your phone. So as nowadays our mobile phone is act like a mini computer. So with the help of this mobile, we can generate a traffic that is also in auto mode. So with this mobile friendly SaaS application, you can find out very attractive and high converting offer from various platforms like Warrior Plus, JVJu and ClickBank. So with the help of this app, you can build personalized mobile responsive, high convertive post click landing pages, your fully customized landing page that increase the conversion. So it required no hosting, no domain. So Magic have 100 plus done for you for various niches. Magic has the powerful, flexible, user-friendly bulk in SMS marketing application feature that is also inbuilt. So you can use these SMS marketing tools. So you can use this unlimited traffic within a minute. So this app come up with the various unique features like affiliate marketing place offer, drag and drop page builder, SMS marketing, lead capture. So you can submit your link for free traffic source, bank link automation, link clocking, autoresponder integration, email marketing, offer comparison, retargeting campaign, keyword search. So there are so many unique tools given in this app. So we'll discuss in detail when we go through our member page. Today I have a great offer for you. If you like this product and if you purchase this product through my link, you will get bonuses from my side and vendor side as well. So link is already given in the description. So I'll review this product. So first I'll take you through the bonuses which is offering by me, and then I'll take you through the member area and sales page, and we'll discuss the price and OTO price of this product. So let's start our review. So as I told you, you will get the bonus from my side if you purchase this product through my link. So let's go through this bonus page. But remember, this bonus is for limited period. So this Magic product is going to launch today on 17th by 11 a.m. EST in Eastern Standard Time. So once this clocks goes down, the bonus will also gone. So let's go through the bonuses. So my bonus number 1 is Access 7-minute system. So this is the video tutorial. Here you will learn how to generate traffic from 3 underground secret traffic source, and even you will learn how to create or how to monetize this traffic. So this is very good tutorial. So you will get in bonus number 1. So this bonus number 2 is Mobily. So here in this video tutorial, by applying the strategies through Mobily, how you can generate the income. Here it is revealed how Jonos use this Mobily to create good business and run his campaign through this mobile. So you will get to learn everything in step by step. So this bonus number 3 is SEO. So here in this tutorial you will learn how to campaign your product, and with the help of search engine optimization, how to bring traffic to your product, and which ultimately leads to you to get more commission. So in bonus number 4 you can access this tutorial Goodwill. So this bonus is only for 48 hours. So here you in this software it is taught to you, you don't have to sell anything, but here you have to offer something for your customer, and so that at the same time you can earn money through this. So everything, so you will think how it is possible, but it is given in this tutorial. Everything is given in step by step. So you will learn how to earn money without selling anything. So next bonus, so along with this product, if you purchase this product, you will get bonuses from my side, as well you will get the bonus from vendor side also. So vendor is also offering some attractive bonuses, so you will get that bonus as well. So you need to just click the link so that it will redirect you to the Warrior Plus. So once you click on Warrior Plus, so here once the green portion you will get your product, and in blue portion when you click on it you will get all the bonuses which I have mentioned. So the link is already given in the description, so you can go through that link. Now I will take you through member area. So I will quickly take you through this app. So in this app, now we are on this dashboard. So in left hand side you can see the various tools like money page, trending offer, connect social, lead capture, messenger campaign, subscriber manager, SMS campaign, email campaign, traffic source, link locking, backlink machines, offer comparison, keyword search. These are the various tools which you can utilize from this app. So here you can see the latest deals from Warrior Plus. You can see this product name, that Send and Profit, Nevo Commission. So from here you can directly go to the sales page and you can apply link directly from here. No need to go there. From here only you can apply the link. If you want to promote this product, you have to just click here, grab the deals. So you can apply the link from here and you can promote this product. So same thing for JVZoo also, the various product is also given. So from here you can go through the sales page and grab the link. So next is the trending offer. So here you can see what are the trending offer going on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank. So I have clicked on this Warrior Plus. So here you can see what are the trending offer, what are the good products, so that you can earn the good commission from that. So you from here you just select that offer, apply the link, and you can promote that product. So we'll go through these money pages. So here there's so many pages is there. You can create your landing page, option page, thank you page, webinar page, coming soon page. These pages you can create. There various templates is given, and so here you can design your pages. So these are the some ready-made templates is given. You can go through it and you can edit it as per your requirement. So here this template came. So this is very unique feature. So you can create your this page as per your requirement. So you can integrate with auto response, and you can preview, you can change the template. So these are the various features is given which make it the more unique. And special thing, everything you no need to visit other platform. Everything you can do at one place. So one more unique feature is given, this connect social. So with this you can campaign your product to various social network from at one place. You can integrate with this bot also. So you can campaign your product on various social networks directly from here. So we'll go to this lead capture. What is lead capture? So this lead capture is fully automated. So here with one click you can send a message to across all your Facebook traffic. So you can synchronize your subscriber here. So with this messenger campaign you can create a campaign for your product and send across all your buyer list. So this is run on totally automation mode. So in this subscriber manager, this is also one of the tool where you can create various group for your products and you can contact them, you can make the contact book, and you can use this for your email campaign for any particular products. So this SMS campaign is also one of the unique feature of this app. So you can integrate this with other SMS gateway like Twilio, ClickTail, Neximo. So integration can be done through here, and you can create your SMS campaign. So you can build your campaign list, new campaign, respond. So here, apart from this, various SMS template is given so that you can use that ready-made template and you can edit it, and you can send unlimited SMS to your buyers. So with this email campaign tools also, so you can integrate this email gateway. You can use this API setting, and you can run your email campaign. Various email templates is given. So with the help of these email templates, you can campaign your product, and you can send all the emails to your targeted audience. Here in email campaign, you can create an integration with your autoresponder. So with this traffic source, you can blast your campaign to the social media platform. So you can send your campaign to various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. So you can integrate it with this social media platform. So you can select your campaign here, and you can target to this social media platform. So there are various social media platform is given. You can choose any one of these. So with the help of this link locking, you can shorten your link, share and track your shortened link. So this bit.ly URL shortener is already given here, and you can do the rebranding for your shortened, share the link, and you can track your campaign also. This black link automation help you to create unlimited quality black links. So here in this search, you just need to put your domain name and click generate. So one more feature is given, this offer comparison. Let's see what is the offer comparison. So here you can put the link of your offer, and you can compare what is the sales, percentage of sales and average conversion. Everything you can evaluate from here. You just need to simple put that link so that you can see the comparison. So here keyword research is also given, so you can use and find your product and keyword research. And this so with this messenger bot, you can integrate it with bot, and you can integrate with your autoresponder as well. So here some saved templates is there. Email autoresponder is also given. So in short, the various things, all the tools required to promote your product, campaign, and to earn the money online, everything is given on the same platform. So this is my review for this product. So I summarize that. So overall, everything is given on single platform, and this is the value for money, and that is also for one-time cost. That price is also very less. So I'll take you through the sales page. So I'll just quickly take you through the sales page and this price part. So I will just go through only main point. If you want to go through in detail, the link is already given in the description. You just click that link so that you will redirect it to that sales page. So I forget to mention that in member area, the tutorial and case studies is already given in the member area, and their support is also there. So whenever you stuck up at any point, you can contact their support. So this product is created by this Billy Dar and his team. So these are the price and upsells. So front end price will cost you around $17. You will get access to the powerful magic software and training module. Please note, even if you go with this front end, you will get all the bonuses which I have mentioned. And in upsell number 1, that magic unlimited edition, This unlimited edition of Magic has multiple templates, unlimited uses, unlimited traffic and sales, and it also comes with additional tutorials. So upsell number 2, Magic Done For You edition, that cost you around $197. And upsell number 3, Magic Automated Edition, $39. So you will be able to activate all the automation tool with this Magic. So this upsell number 4, you will get Done For You template club, that is cost around $39. So you will get 200 customizable video templates that you can use with this Magic. Upsell number 5, Magic 50x clicks and go campaign, that cost you around $39. So you will get 50 proven TikTok campaigns that you can copy and paste and make your affiliate sales on TikTok platform. So these are some key benefits you are getting with this Magic. So this is very simple, as easy as you have to just push one button and it is totally run on autopilot mode, newbie friendly. So apart from this, you will get 365 days risk-free guarantee. So I'll just summarize that. Here with this product, through your mobile also you can earn the money, you can generate your campaigns, you can run that campaign through your mobile only. So this is a mobile friendly app which run on auto mode, and the price is also not very high. So you will get so many contents on single platform, so you can buy this product. So here you have to pay only one time cost. So this product is worth to buy. So if you want to buy this product, the link is already given in my description. You just click on that link, you will get the bonuses from my site. So this is the review for this product. As I come up with upcoming product review videos on my channel, so do subscribe my channel and visit my channel. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.